Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 3.
Right.
Now,
And we are doing variation.
woo! We did 2 variations today. We did kickball changes and we did scissor kicks. Let's show just some kickball changes on the right. It was kickball change, kickball change, kickball change, kickball change. Then the left. Kickball change, kickball change, kickball change, kickball change.
To have that pulse going and put your butt behind you. It's not here. And it's not super high kicks.
Yeah. And then we did some scissor kicks. It looked like this. A kickball change, a kickball change, a kickball change, a kickball change. Zoop.
Practice them starting on the right, practice them starting on the left.
Yeah.
When we put them into a swing out, followers. I would do scissor kicks
Hey.
first.
Yes.
Kick, ba-da,
Zoom.
kick, ba-da.
Zoom. 5, 6, kickball change, step, kickball change. We talked about the diagonal. Zoo. Ba boop ba ba. Hey.
Or you can just do kickball change
Zoom.
on 1 and 2.
Hey. 5, 6, 7, 8, kickball change. Hey. 5, 6, 7, 8, kickball change. Did you?
That's
What?